mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I install this absolutely gorgeous wig from Reshine Hair. It is their 4x4 HD lace closure wig in 26 inches and in their gorgeous straight texture. Like, let's get into the fullness, the silkiness, just everything about this hair is giving. Okay, so if you would like to purchase off rip, which I would highly recommend, the links will be in the description box to do so. This wig is mad affordable. Go ahead, I give you my blessing, because bomb, 10 out of 10. This hair is so soft and sleek. Oh my god, I cannot get enough. I keep running my hands through it, but let's just go ahead and jump into today's tutorial so I can show you how to get your hair looking like this. I'm gonna stop rambling. Cue the clip. So I know I said I'm gonna stop rambling, but let's just get into the customization real quick. Yeah, she's one of them. Like, this is Reshine's 4x4 HD lace closure wig in 26 inches. This wig is super full and the ends are perfect. The hair is shiny. I'm living. So let's jump into the tutorial. I'm gonna start off by tinting my lace, and I use black opal. It's busted, but it's black opal, and a round brush like so. I'm gonna just get just a tad bit, because I'm like hitting pan. I'm gonna get from the side and I'm gonna just press the excess out in the middle. So on the side for some product, make sure that it's evenly distributed on all the bristles. And now it's time to actually tint. So I'm gonna just flip this up and go in and just barely even tap it into the lace. Okay, and just like that, we have tinted the lace. So I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm going to just play some background music and let's get into the whole install. back, and that is it. This wig was from Reshine Hair. They went ahead and sent me a 4x4 HD lace closure wig in 26 inches and the straight texture, of course. I'm loving how full and sleek and shiny and just silky Reshine Hair feels. I'm loving just everything about this closure. It was so easy to work with. I finished that install in under 15 minutes. That's insane to me how easy it was just to do this install. I love everything about this hair. I'm not having any type of shedding. This is crazy. I feel shook. Like, this hair was mad good to work with. This whole wig, perfect. It's super duper affordable, by the way, so definitely don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box. I have nothing but good things to say about this hair. It's full from the top to the ends. Like, everything is just perfect around about this wig. It's a really nice wig. So if you want to get your hands on a closure unit, I'm going on vacation at the end of the month. I'm going to want to take something straight. More than likely, I'll definitely bring this wig with me because, girl, perfection. And that's all there is to it. So thank you so much, Reshine, for having such good quality hair. I'm loving it. If you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.